AI cat videos are very much popular nowadays. Let's see some example. This shorts got 128 million views, and next video got 81 million views. Next one got 25 million views. Let's see more example shorts. This got 26 million views, 74 million, 19 million views. Almost every video's got millions views. Let's see what it generated to got 128 million views. It's nothing special without still images and background music. Today our aim to make cat AI videos with more easy way. Before that, let's see the earning of this channel. $1,000 to $18,000 per month and $2,20,000 per year. Let's see search volume of cat keyword. It's 30 lakh plus monthly search volume. What is really incredible? And cat videos keyword have monthly 10 lakh plus search volume. It indicates the opportunity. If you have a YouTube channel or want to make a new YouTube channel, you need to research keyword before uploading any video to YouTube. I will keep link of this keyword tool in description section. Matching terms of keyword cats are also incredible. This means if we upload any video related with this terms have opportunity to get thousands of views. Let's visit to our AI straightly. You will find the link in description. Click on that link to sign up and use your Google account for easy login. You will redirected to this dashboard. This AI is extremely powerful. I have made few dedicated videos for this AI. You will find them on my channel. You can make AI characters with this AI, stunning images, AI stories with any niches, as well as make videos as per your requirement. As I am showing you how to make AI cat videos, I am going to Story Studio from left menu section. I have made lots of AI stories with this AI. I am impressed with this AI. To start a new story, click on New Story button at right top side. Then click on Help Me Get a Story button. AI will ask, who is your story for? I wrote any. Then AI will ask, what's your goal by creating this story? I wrote any. AI will ask, what genre the story should be. This is important part, select a genre from this 12 category. This is for what kind of story you want to make. You can select any genre you want. Here I am selecting superhero genre. Now AI will ask, any quick ideas what this story is about? This is the most important part. You need to input any story idea you want to generate. The better you input, the better you get result. I am inputting cat saves his kitten as story idea. You can input whatever you want. And then click on Generate Story Outline button. Within few seconds, you will find that AI generated a story script and story characters for you. Review and check the characters and story script carefully. Your AI video will depend on this story script. When you will satisfy, click on Create the Story button. Now select story format. You can select vertical or horizontal format. Vertical is great for phones, TikTok, Reels or Shorts, and horizontal is for standard video format, great for YouTube. I am selecting vertical and later I will show horizontal formats video. In this page, you need to select visual style of your story from this 12 styles. Every style generate different types of story images for your AI video. I am selecting 3D cartoon style. You can select any style you want. Then click on Continue to Character Creator button. In these page, you will find you characters of your story. You can change characters if you're not satisfied with AI generated character. Click on Edit Character button and change or modify prompt, and finally, click on Generate Character Image button to generate new character. When you will satisfy, click on Confirm Character button. When you will satisfy, click on Continue to Storyboard button will start generating images for your story. In free version, it may take 7 to 10 minutes to generate. I am a paid member. It takes less than 2 minutes for paid users. See, the generated images are so beautiful, consistent and exceptional. Every time you will generate a new story you will wonder with the generations. The best part is that you don't need to add voiceover, background music, add subtitle or even don't need to edit anything. Everything will be automated. When you will satisfy, click on export button will take few minutes too.
In the dead of night,
See
the
this AI
vigilant
cat
guardian
video
watches
now.
over the city, ever ready to pounce on danger. Unaware of the peril above, the curious kitten finds itself in a dangerous predicament. A clumsy accident alters the appearance of the feline guardian, marking the beginning of an unexpected turn of events. Mistaken for a mythical hero, the mysterious blue-clad savior captivates the city's attention with daring acrobatics. Caught in a web of fate, the hero finds himself ensnared in a precarious situation, dangling above the city's pulse. A chorus of wings descends from the sky, offering a lifeline to the hero in need, their elegant dance untangling the knots of destiny. In the dead of night, the vigilant guardian watches over the city, ever ready to pounce on danger. The hero touches the earth once more, unaware of the symphony of applause. The curious kitten finds itself in a dangerous predicament. Amidst the quiet of the night, the hero finds solace in the companionship, marking the beginning of an unexpected turn of events. A silent vow shared between them in the moon's
Mistaken for a mythical
embrace.
hero, tell me on comment how was the story. And if you have any confusion, ask me on comment section. And now let's make a horizontal video for YouTube. You need to do the same process as before. This time I am selecting fantasy genre. As a story idea I am inputting, Daddy Cat fights with shark to save his kitten. Doing everything same, but on next page of story format, we need to select horizontal as story format. And now I am selecting digital art as visual style. Let's see the generated images for this story. You may not like my generated stories, but I recommend you to use this AI at least once in your life. I believe you will able to generate better stories than me. And after using this AI, please comment me if you are satisfied with this AI or not.
In a quaint seaside village, danger lurks beneath the tranquil waters. A valiant protector watches over his domain, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. A shadow of death looms near, threatening to shatter the peace of the sleepy town.
Thank you for watching.
The father's instinct awakens,
give a thumbs up,
driving
and
him
please
to
subscribe
confront
to my
the imminent
channel.
peril that threatens his offspring. The odds stack higher against our hero, a new adversary looming on the horizon. An outpouring of support surrounds the courageous figure, a chorus of voices lifting him up in his time of need. The battle begins, a clash of wills and strength between predator and protector. Primal energy courses through the hero, guiding his every move in the dance of life and death. The stakes escalate, danger and tension reaching a fever pitch in the heart of the battle. The tide turns in a surprising twist as the underdog rises to claim victory against all odds. Amidst the wreckage of the battle, a tender moment unfolds, a testament to the enduring bond between a father and his child.